Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make broth for instant ramen using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of water, a half teaspoon of soy sauce, a quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of garlic powder. This simple combination creates a rich, savory base that elevates your instant noodles from basic to gourmet in just a few minutes. It's a fantastic way to add depth without much effort. To build more complex flavors, consider adding fresh aromatics. Sauté a small clove of minced garlic and a half-inch piece of grated ginger in a tiny bit of oil before adding water. Once simmering, stir in about 1 teaspoon of white miso paste until fully dissolved. For a little heat, a few drops of chili oil can transform the broth. These additions make a huge difference, turning a simple broth into something truly special. Once your broth is seasoned to perfection, bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Avoid a hard boil to preserve the delicate flavors. Add your instant ramen noodles directly into the simmering broth and cook according to package directions, usually for about 3 minutes. Serve immediately in a bowl, garnished with thinly sliced scallions and a perfectly soft-boiled egg. Enjoy your elevated instant ramen experience. The beauty of this easy method is its versatility. Feel free to customize your ramen with your favorite toppings, like sautéed mushrooms, spinach, or even some leftover cooked chicken. Don't be afraid to adjust the soy sauce or sesame oil to suit your palate. For more great tips and deals, including a link for some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy slurping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.